Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to use Bullx Solana. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. And now let's get into it. So I used my Brave browser's AI and you can see it generated me a pretty good and well-detailed beginner's guide for how to use Bullx Solana. And so if you want to download Brave browser, then don't worry, I'll leave you the link in the description down below. And here it says the first step is to create an account. So go to the Bullx website and sign up for an account. You can use your email address or connect with your existing Telegram account. After that, fund your account. Deposit Sol or Solana's native cryptocurrency into your Bullx account. You can do this through the Bullx web app or by linking your existing Solana wallet. After that, choose your trading platform. Bullx offers both Telegram bot and web app interfaces. You can use either one, depending on your preference. For this guide, we'll focus on the web app. So, after that, set up your account. After logging into the web app, you will need to set up your account by providing basic information and verifying your email address. And next to that, you want to explore meme coins. Bullx offers a vast selection of meme coins on various blockchains, including Solana. Use the new pairs or explore sections to discover new coins and filter by blockchain, market capitalization, or other criteria. After that, you want to use advanced trading tools. Bullx provides sophisticated features like live market data, customizable trading strategies, and secure wallet integration. Take advantage of these tools to optimize your trading experience. And finally, you want to monitor and participate. Keep track of your meme coins progress and participate in trading activities effortlessly. Bullx user-friendly interface makes it easy to monitor your portfolio and make informed decisions. And here we have also additional tips. Bullx charges a 1% fee for each transaction, but if you were referred by another user, you will receive a 10% discount on fees. Be cautious when sharing your Bullx link or accessing your account through public computers or untrusted networks, as this may compromise your account security. And report any bugs or issues to Bullx official Discord channel or support section. And after that, you want to also know that you stay informed about market trends and updates by following reputable sources and participating in online communities such as the Solana subreddit. And here we have a section for common issues and solutions. If you encounter issues with your Telegram bot, try reloading the bot or contacting Bullx support. If you experience account access problems, verify your email address and ensure you're using the correct login credentials. And in case of unauthorized access or transactions, report this incident to Bullx support and take immediate action to secure your account. And I believe that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.